ready to dive into the world of digital products and learn how to sell them on Shopify. In this video, we'll cover several exciting digital product ideas that you can start selling right away. Here's what you can expect. For each product idea, we'll discuss who it's for and rate its difficulty on a scale from 1 to 5, where 1 is super easy and 5 is more challenging. Plus, we'll look at some successful Shopify stores for inspiration. And stick around till the end for a special chapter where we'll share some powerful marketing and sales strategies to boost your digital product sales. And if you're ready to start turning your ideas into profit, you can start for free with a Shopify trial via the link in the description below. It's the perfect way to get your online store up and running without any upfront costs. All right, let's kick things off with our first digital product idea, eBooks. Here are a few ideas for you. Recipe eBooks and meal plans. Business and marketing strategies, art and craft tutorials, self-publishing your own stories or guides. Who is it for? eBooks are perfect for authors and writers, niche market enthusiasts like marketers, cooks, and tech experts, as well as educators or anyone looking to share their expertise. Creating your own ebook might sound challenging, and it does have a difficulty level of 4 out of 5 because you have to create your own content. But once you have your ebook ready, the rest of the process becomes much easier. For a detailed guide on how to sell ebooks on Shopify, check out the video in the card up here. Store examples. This is our demo ebook store, which offers free e-commerce ebooks for you to explore. If you want to check it out, you can quickly access it via the link I left in the description below. How to cake it. This site offers a range of recipe ebooks and tutorials on cake decorating. It's a brilliant example of how to cater to a niche market, baking enthusiasts, and build a brand around specialized content. Their vibrant and user-friendly interface makes it easy for customers to find and purchase ebooks, demonstrating how effective design can drive sales. These examples show just how diverse and profitable selling ebooks can be. Now that we've explored some exciting ebook ideas and examples, here are some of the top Shopify apps that can help you manage and deliver your digital goods efficiently. SkyPilot. SkyPilot allows you to sell and deliver digital products like music, videos, books, and more directly through your Shopify store. It integrates seamlessly with your store's branding and supports high-quality streaming and downloads. SkyPilot also offers robust security features like account protection, download limits, PDF stamping, and IP alerts to protect your digital files, providing a customizable delivery experience that keeps customers engaged on your site. EDP, Easy Digital Products. This app supports a variety of digital files and offers an easy-to-use interface for managing and delivering products. EDP is ideal for those who want a simple yet effective solution for digital downloads without the need for extensive customization. You can easily set up your digital products and start selling in no time. Digital Downloads. The Digital Downloads app by Shopify is a free and efficient solution for selling digital products. It integrates directly with your Shopify store, allowing customers to download their purchased files instantly and receive convenient emailing. This app is perfect for those who want a cost-effective and hassle-free way to manage digital product sales. It's especially useful for beginners who need a basic yet reliable option to start their digital product business. Next up, we have digital templates. These are incredibly versatile and in high demand. Here are some top recommendations. Notion templates. With over 150,000 searches per month, Notion templates are a hot item. They can range from personal planners to project management tools. Planner templates. Digital planners are popular among productivity enthusiasts. They include daily, weekly, and monthly planners. Work plan templates. Ideal for professionals who need to organize and track their work projects efficiently. Canva templates. These include social media templates, business templates, and more, making them a promising business idea for graphic designers and marketers. Dedicated marketing templates. These templates can include email campaigns, content planners, action plans, proposals, and more. For example, HubSpot offers a wide range of marketing templates that you can take inspiration from. Who is it for? Digital templates are perfect for graphic designers, marketers, educators, trainers, coaches, mentors, content creators, and event planners. Essentially, anyone who can benefit from ready-made, customizable templates will find value here. I will show you a demo of how to create a downloadable Canva template. First, let's create a planner using Canva. We'll use the A4 dimension for this example. I have already created a planner example here. To create an editable Canva link for your customer, follow these steps. Click Share in the top right corner. Scroll to the bottom and select More. Here in the top corner, you will find a template link option. Click on Template Link. Then click Create Template Link and copy the link provided. That's it. Now you have an editable Canva template link. You can upload this link as a digital product following the steps mentioned in the previous chapter. Keep in mind that you can delete this link anytime and view estimated stats such as views, engagement rates, unique links, performance, and social media insights. Pretty neat, isn't it? Store examples. You are Love Templates, focused on planners and organizational templates. This store provides a range of products that help users stay organized and motivated. Their templates are designed with a strong emphasis on mental health and personal development, offering customers tools that not only organize their tasks but also promote well-being. The Copy Bar specializes in marketing and business templates. Their templates are designed to help businesses streamline their marketing efforts and improve productivity. The Copy Bar's approach to combining creative design with practical functionality has made them a favorite among marketers and business owners looking for high-quality templates that drive results. Before we dive into the next section, I want to hear from you. Do you have any digital product ideas that you'd like to validate or discuss? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's talk about it. Next up, we have licensed digital content. This category includes various types of media that can be sold online under a licensing agreement. These are some trending options: stock footage, video, presets, template footage, and music and sound effects. Who is it for? Licensed digital content is perfect for videographers, filmmakers, content creators, YouTubers, animation and motion graphics designers, photographers, media companies, and music producers. On a scale of 1 to 5, creating licensed digital content has a challenging level of 4.5. You need to have the equipment to create high-quality photos, videos, and sounds along with a professional background in your respective field. Store examples. EditStock. This store provides unedited film footage for editors to practice their skills. They offer a comprehensive collection of raw footage from professional productions, including short films and commercial projects. EditStock's unique approach helps aspiring editors build their demo reels and gain real-world editing experience. The site also provides feedback from professional editors, making it an invaluable resource for learning and improving editing skills. Birdie Shop Finds specializes in unique video footage and presets. This store caters to videographers and filmmakers looking for high-quality, customizable content to enhance their project. Their diverse library includes everything from scenic landscapes to urban environments, providing ample options for creative professionals. Their extensive library includes royalty-free music, jingles, and sound effects that can be used in various multimedia projects. The site's user-friendly interface and detailed categorization make it easy for users to find exactly what they need. Now, let's explore another exciting category: digital tools and assets. Here are some popular ideas: brush templates for Procreate or other designing and painting software, preset textures, custom fonts, custom icons, Adobe Photoshop filters, and plugins for media editors and illustrations. Who is it for? Digital tools and assets are perfect for graphic designers, typographers, font designers, illustrators, digital artists, web and UI/UX designers, and digital content creators. On a scale of 1 to 5, creating digital tools and assets has a challenging level of 3. Store examples. Retro Supply Company. This is renowned for its high-quality, retro-inspired design tools, including brushes, textures, fonts, and other digital assets. They focus on recreating authentic vintage effects with precision, making their products highly sought after by designers looking to add a nostalgic touch to their work. Their bundles for Procreate, Photoshop, and Illustrator offer comprehensive tool sets that save users time and enhance creativity. Garm Company. Known for its custom fonts and icons, Garm Company provides unique and professionally designed digital assets that can elevate any creative project. Their extensive library includes a variety of styles and themes, catering to the diverse needs of graphic designers and digital artists. Guys, let's shift our focus to another highly profitable area: subscriptions and services. Consider these two ideas: tutoring and appointment services. Who is it for? These offerings are ideal for retailers, bloggers, podcasters, video content creators, SaaS providers, educators, tutors, fitness instructors, and wellness coaches. A challenging level, on a scale of 1 to 5, creating subscriptions and services rates a 3. Store examples. Street Parking offers a subscription-based fitness program with daily workout plans and coaching for people with limited equipment or space. Their strong community support and structured subscription model stand out in the fitness industry. Vibrant Meals provides healthy meal delivery subscriptions with fresh, never frozen meals. Their commitment to nutrient-dense, preservative-free options has garnered a loyal following in Nashville and Chattanooga. Final chapter. Let's wrap up with some effective strategies to boost your digital product sales. 1. Promote a free lead magnet. One of the best ways to build an email list is by offering a free lead magnet. This could be an ebook, a checklist, or a mini course related to your digital product. By providing valuable content for free, you attract potential customers and can nurture these leads through email marketing until they are ready to purchase your main product. 2. Start an affiliate program. Affiliates can be a significant source of traffic and sales. Find influencers who are established and trusted in your industry and offer them a commission for each sale they generate. You can set different commission rates based on their audience size and influence to motivate them to promote your product more aggressively. 3. Collect pre-orders. Launch a pre-launch campaign to create hype and anticipation for your product. Offering a discounted early bird price can encourage customers to commit to purchasing before the official release, helping you gauge interest and fund production costs. 4. Offer a money-back guarantee. Reduce the risk for your customers by offering a money-back guarantee. This can increase their confidence in purchasing your product, knowing they have an option for a refund if it doesn't meet their expectations. 5. Create user-generated SEO content. Encourage your customers to create content about your product, such as reviews, testimonials, and social media posts. This user-generated content can improve your SEO and provide social proof, making your product more attractive to potential buyers. And finally, 6, use Pinterest. Leverage Pinterest to drive traffic to your digital products. Create eye-catching pins that link back to your product pages. Pinterest is a powerful platform for visual products and can significantly increase your reach and sales. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively promote your digital products and maximize your sales potential. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more tips and ideas. Feel free to comment with your thoughts, ideas, or any questions you have. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.